Hello. Time again to get some things out the door. So cool that I have stuff to ship every day now. Yeah. Today we are shipping a breakable, a not so breakable, and a really not breakable. So let's go do it. All right, as usual, I have gathered the things that I need to ship these items. One's going in a poly bag, one's going in a padded bag, and one's going in a little box. And we're going to start with the item that is going to go in the poly bag, which is probably one of the easiest to do. This is something I picked up on my trip to California back when I was doing the Thrift With Me videos. We took a California trip, me and my daughters, and this was one of the things we found in a little, like a Humane Society thrift store, and I paid $2 for it. I had it listed for $15 since December, so I went ahead and let it go for, I made an offer to watchers for $9.99. Boom, got it sold. Still a good profit. I'll take it. Remember, can't go broke making a profit. So I'm just going to kind of fold that over, and I am going to just give this a nice little piece of tissue paper, because this item is very unlikely to get ruined by green tissue paper. And it just makes your customer feel a little better. All right, and then we're going to slip that into... I think it'll go that way. Oh yeah, actually it does go that way. You know me, I like to fold my poly bags over. You don't have to, I like to. Because now this item is like actually sitting in there just perfect on the end. So I'm gonna fold this over, squeeze the air out. Now I have been schooled on not using both of these silver tabs. I still don't quite get it. I've always used both. It's just the OCD in me that sees a tab and wants to use it, but we'll just use one. We'll just use one. We'll go with that. We'll go with that. All right, we'll do it. There we go. Done. I only used one. I am going to put a little tape along the edge. This keeps anything from getting caught in the processing equipment along the way and ripping the bag open. You know, sometimes you get a package that... especially if it's in one of those paper envelopes, priority envelopes, that was the word I was looking for, and it'll just be ripped open to smithereens. That is because along the way somewhere, the processing equipment, the conveyor belt, something, it snagged, it ripped it open. It's like, it's not pretty. So we try to avoid having that happen. And I'm going to put my label on this side. Okay, so I know what that is. I'll set that aside. Next is, this is an antique butter mold, and I literally sold this overnight. I listed it for $19.99. I got a best offer of $15. Boom, I took it. Can't go broke making a profit. I love the quick sale. I know some people are like, oh, but I just listed it. No, sell that sucker. And get a piece of bubble wrap here for him. I know this is my not so pretty piece of bubble wrap, but that's okay. Gotta use it. There we go. Da-da-da. Tuck in my little ends like a Christmas present. All right. Boom. Chugga-lugga-lugga. And I got my padded envelope, oh, this isn't even an eBay one. I have eBay one somewhere. Why did I use an eBay one? Oh well. That is not going to go that direction. It needs to go this direction. We're going to put that in there, and this is going to go first class, so it's got a very good chance of making it just fine. and I like to fold it over so it's not flopping around in the envelope. And I will just take one piece of tape and go over these little edges. Okay, Mr. Rooster. Mr. Rooster is safe in there. Okay. Now, last but not least, this is a Josef Originals. She still has her tag here. Josef Originals have a really neat history, which I can't recite to you off the top of my head, but I know I've researched it many times. The company actually got into trouble and then sent its manufacturing over to Japan, if I remember correctly, and then that's when they were really able to boom. Now, I know that there are some more modern versions that are not valuable at all. The one thing I learned, if you remember nothing else about Josef Originals, this is what you want to remember. You want to look at the eyes. The eyes should be black, not brown. Newer ones are brown. The valuable ones will have very, very fine, detailed black eyes. And hopefully they have, your either the mark on the bottom or they still have the original sticker. And the labels changed over time. You can Google and find the different labels. Maybe I'll pop some up right here for you. But these are a really fascinating collectible, and dive into the history a little bit because it's a very, very interesting company to follow, and I do really well with these. This little teeny tiny geisha girl sold for $40. $40. And she came in a lot of stuff at the auction. All right, let me give her little cocoon-worthy wrapping here. She's got some delicate parts, her little parasol and all that. So I am going to roll her up really good. And I think what I'm going to do that I don't normally do, I'm going to try it with this one, is I'm going to fold this before I get to the end so that it's an even doubling up. Can you see what I did there? So now my bubble wrap is doing double duty. Oh yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Woo, yeah. Normally I get to the end and then I fold it over and it's just lumpy on one side. That actually worked out so much better. All right. And then I've got this little box. She is going to go first class. I haven't decided if I'm going to add insurance yet or not. Insurance really is, it's like gambling. You have to decide, what is the likelihood this is going to make it in one piece? How confident are you in your packaging and in the postal service to get the item to your customer without the need for insurance? I feel pretty good about this because it is first class, so I probably will not do insurance, especially since I only have $1 into her. So I'm not technically losing $40 if something happens. I'm losing $1. All right. Okay, there's my little first layer packing peanuts. And then I'm going to shove some down on both sides so that she's right in the center of the package. Oh, these white ones are just, blah. Don't like them. All right, and I want to be able to squish those flaps down. I don't want any room for her to flop around in there. And then I'm going to take my tape and go all the way down, tape to tape. Okay, and there she is, and I feel really good. She's going to make it. I am not going to get insurance on that. I may eat those words, but I feel pretty good that she's going to make it. Okay, that's it. Shipping's done. If you like this, please hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Those thumbs up really help me with YouTube. They help my videos get seen because some of you might know I am trying to build this channel back up after a very long hiatus. I have lots more content coming to you. And yeah, so if you could help me out with that, that would be awesome. If you have any comments for me, something you'd like to see shipped, please go ahead and mention that. I check all my comments. And with that, go be profitable and make it fun. See you on the next one.